It is moving day. The sun is already coming through the skylight in the kitchen. Jaywaz has already started taking on the pool this morning. He's bagging up the leaves and just taking care of literally everything. This is how we slept last night. We had all the curtains closed and everything, but we just plopped an air mattress in here. We figured we're never gonna really like sleep in the living room ever again, so we decided we wanted to sleep in the living room last night, and then we're gonna pick up our mattress today, grab a U-Haul, and bring over as much as we can today. And like, we're not gonna really place anything. Jason's family gets in around like 3 o'clock today, so that should give us enough time to just get stuff over here. Probably won't really unpack, but his family's coming. We're gonna hopefully enjoy the pool with them. And then tomorrow we're gonna move over all of our big furniture. Not that we have that much, but that will be kind of like the big move tomorrow. And then my family will come tomorrow night, and we're just gonna have barbecue and just sit out on the deck. But this morning, I got to read my Bible and do my journaling from the sunroom, which was just magical. Riley's still learning the doggy door right now. Come on, Riley, to the door, to the door, come on. Come on. Yeah, good job. And Jaywaz is taking true form right now. I fed my koi this morning, and they're still very, very shy, but we're getting used to it all. But guys, how crazy is it that we get to just wake up and look at this? And we actually had a crazy encounter last night with a coon.
I got a fish. We should throw it in the river.
Oh yeah,
He's a little guy, but
there was like a couple, I think, but it was super small, and I saw that it was going for the fish food that I had scooped out of the pond yesterday, because there was some extra food left over. So I scooped that out, and I like just kind of dumped it in the bushes, and I think the coon was trying to get to that. So knowing that, I'm gonna make sure I feed them the appropriate amount, so I don't have to scoop stuff out. But you guys, all we can hear is just water features in nature. I cannot. You guys hear birds right now? Birds, not motorcycles, not road noise, no ambulances, birds. Oh, I literally feel like I'm on vacation, but this is our home. I'm just so happy. Guys, literally yesterday, after I filmed the empty house tour, I literally laid down in the middle of the living room floor, and I just sobbed. I just happy cried. I felt like I could finally exhale. It's just been such a journey, and then also like the past 30 days with closing and everything have been not like crazy, but you can't really exhale until you get the keys. And oh, it's so special. I literally just laid on the floor and just looked up at the ceiling and just looked at the house empty, and I was just like, this is our home. Like, we own this. This is so Riley. Oh my gosh, this has been her all day. She loves this place, just exploring. There's so many different levels that she can climb on, and we have some statues here in the backyard that she got spooked by because we brought her by last night. Don't get in the pond. No, get away from the pond. I'm worried she's gonna go after the koi. She's really smart. I don't think she will. She hasn't like jumped in the pool or jumped in the pond or anything like that. But I really feel like the only time she's gonna wanna get in the pool is when everyone else is in the pool, and that's when I'm gonna try to keep her out. I was originally thinking, oh, it'd be so fun to let her swim and stuff, but she sheds so much, and we just wanna make sure that we keep the pool filter clean. And I don't know, it might be okay, but when she's in like her peak shedding season, you can pull like clumps of hair out of her, and it's not good for anything. So we'll probably keep her out of the pool. Also, we have that doggy door, so she can go in and out all she wants, and I don't want her while we're gone during the day to jump in the pool and then run inside and like get on our couch. So we're probably not gonna let her in the pool, but she's just loving her life, and Jaywaz is loving his life. He has just taken true form here. He's so happy. It makes me so happy to just see how much he cares about this backyard and just everything. It just feels like such a good gift that we were handed. But like I said, this morning I got to literally read my Bible, drink my coffee right here, listen to the waterfalls and the birds. So this morning we are gonna go to brunch at a spot right near where we live now. We wanted to check out like a new kind of restaurant where we live. And then we're gonna head over to U-Haul, pick up the moving truck. We're doing like a really small U-Haul today, but we just figured that would be easier than taking 2 cars, especially my car. It doesn't have like a hatchback, so it's kind of hard to get big boxes in. But we're gonna pick that up and then we're gonna bring it on over here. And then I think by that time, Jason's family should be almost here. They left at like, well, they texted us at 5:45 this morning, but they were up at 6:45 because they're from Michigan. So it's gonna be a full day. I'm so excited. I've already made a great place for all my plants. Look at them in my sunroom. My plants are finally gonna survive. I've got a lot more over at my mom's right now because she has really good natural lighting. And I've never been able to keep plants alive really in our like past home, like our condo that we lived in, because it was just super dark. Now I can have all the plants that I want and they're so happy and I'm so happy. But that's the update. I will pick back up with you guys when we start moving. All right, JWaz picked up our cutie U-Haul and we got the smallest one we could because we're gonna do a bigger U-Haul tomorrow and do furniture. So this is just gonna be boxes, stuff that's important will go in here. Crazy. It's weird being back here because I feel like it makes the other place just seem so much grander, but we've got everything boxed up pretty much. Our friend Jim is here. They're up there.
It's like real bright. Yeah.
Say hi, Jim.
Hi.
Jim's helping us say, and then we've got all of these boxes that are gonna go in the U-Haul, and like I said, furniture will go tomorrow. But that's the game plan. So this is what we've got so far. Boxes. JWaz is rolling out some gear now. We're gonna reassemble this, but for now it's just all kind of on one layer. And then we've got our laundry hamper. Go boys, go! All right, so CRV is totally packed to the brim. We've got more stuff in the back seat. And then our U-Haul's closed up and ready to go. Luckily, we only have like a 10-minute drive. It's really close by, so it shouldn't be too bad. I am so sweaty though. I don't even know why I wore my bangs down, but you can see we are packed up. Got my air fryer, riding shotgun, our juicer, rice cooker. All right, we made it to the new place. U-Haul also made it, and we're starting the unloading process. Okay, so while the guys are unloading the rest of the stuff from the truck, I'm going to start putting the stuff in the closet. I'm eventually gonna try to figure out what I wanna put upstairs in like my filming room and what I wanna keep down here in like the main closet. Riley is so upset because she just wants to be out of this room. But we can't because we've got the front door open for the guys moving. But I'm gonna start sorting through clothes and figuring out what's gonna go down here, what's gonna go up there, and just try to get some stuff hung up. Okay, this confirmed. I'm gonna need a step stool for this closet because it gets so high. But I've got long sleeve, short sleeve tops here, more long sleeve tops, cardigans and jumpsuits, shorter dresses here, jackets and cardigans here, and then I'm gonna leave these like top shelves for sweaters or boots maybe, and then figure out, I don't know, I gotta figure this out, but so far, so good. So this is the state of our room now, and I honestly might just chill for a second because I need to get the kitchen a little bit more ready. Jason's family's about to get here, but all this stuff is gonna go up into storage upstairs, so I gotta carry this upstairs. Gotta figure out where to put this laundry hamper because it doesn't fit in our closet. Our mattress is here. Riley's being a good girl. Yes, you are. This is so much newness for you. This is the state of the bathroom. Gotta unpack that, gotta unpack that. Closet so far is looking good, but just a lot going on. Yeah, let's go check out the kitchen, okay? So I'm gonna try to get into some of these boxes and figure out where the heck I want stuff to go. And hopefully we can start placing stuff. It's hard with the new place because I don't know like what drawers I want stuff yet. So I wanna try to do that before Jason's family gets here. Just try to get some order. So I'm just gonna start opening stuff up, figuring out where to put it. These ones are gonna be like our pantry, I think. Probably won't even need that many because we don't have much stuff. Oh, you guys can see, I have a little spice thing over there. There's two sides, there's one there and there's one on the other side. I wanna eventually get those cute jars and label them all, but that will be just a separate video because I didn't realize we have so much to do. I feel like there have been like a million interruptions because we've just had to stop and talk and ask questions the whole time. So sorry if this is like the most choppy vlog ever, although I don't really know how to like film a organized move because this is just what it is. But I met my neighbor, well not met my neighbor, I said hey to my neighbor, I've met her before. And she was out trimming the bushes, and this neighborhood is literally the most welcoming place ever. It makes me so happy. I'm so happy to be here, but I need to keep unpacking. I feel like we're making slow progress here. Just gotta figure out where my scissors are. I keep losing these. Okay, so this is kitchen. I love our skylight. Okay, we've got some cookbooks here. I just don't know where to put these. Maybe an upper shelf over here? I don't know. There's like so much room. I don't know where to put stuff. Oh no, they're too tall. That's a predicament. Okay, we're just gonna put them here temporarily. I don't know. At this point, I don't know anything. I don't know where anything is, where anything goes. It just is what it is. Ketchups. This is all of Jason's coffee stuff. Food processor. I don't know what to do with any of this. I feel like just trying to figure it out. That's done. Jason's family just got here, but we just got in our Sakara, which is that meal subscription that I showed you guys, I think during, like before the move. But they were so kind and they hooked us up with some more food for this week because we're doing the move and we're just kind of, we've been all over the place obviously. So they sent over some food and I'm gonna throw it in the fridge. So in this box, we actually got 2 boxes, but they all come with ice packs. And we've got some great meals. We got a muffin for breakfast. We've got these taco bowls. It's all super fresh, really, really healthy stuff, which we are so glad to have. So many good, healthy bowls. You can see there's so many good greens. So I'm gonna throw these in the fridge. So happy to have some food in here, and I actually might eat one of these because I'm so hungry. I haven't had lunch and I had a small breakfast, so I'm gonna grab one of these. First swim! Some of our neighbors, well actually our friends, we knew them before we lived in this neighborhood, just came by and brought us the sweetest little housewarming gift ever. They brought a confetti pool ring, which I was literally gonna go buy one of these. Sweet little card. Some, I think this is maybe dish soap, hand and body wash, laundry, a candle. Everybody needs a candle. And chocolate. Like, this was the nicest thing ever. We have already met a few people in this neighborhood, and they are like the sweetest people ever. Everybody just like stops and talks to you, and we've met some of the kids in the neighborhood, and it just feels like home. It's so special. This place is so perfect for us. I can't even describe it. It makes me so happy to be here. It is moving day 2. We've got some new friends here now helping us unload our second U-Haul truck, and then we are officially in. Whoa. Hey. So I'm just gonna tell everybody where stuff is supposed to go. So I'm actually gonna go back inside. But so grateful to have so many strong friends who can lift all of our stuff. This is all of our furniture. Basically everything Jason and I couldn't get in ourselves yesterday, they're helping us with. Is it Lindsay with pizza?
Pizza, pizza, pizza!
Delivery!
Pizza girl!
Yeah. We are about to put the rug down that we had in the living room. We're gonna use it in here for now. Since it's wood floors, we're gonna put our bed frame on top of it, throw the mattress on. Side tables are in.
No, I think after that. Yeah, just pivot it.
Getting the couch up to the studio. We are almost there. Oh, save the bendy light. We gotta save that beautiful bendy light. Oh my gosh, there it goes.
Guys, 6 out of 10 job here.
Guys, all it costs
Good job, Cole.
all it costs is moving junk. Hire me.
Hunk for junk. Junk's for hunk.
Living room.
Sorry.
Let's go.
Our couch is now in the living room. And we'll have another chair in here, actually, that will go right there. But we have that at my mom's house right now because we couldn't fit it in our old place, but it's coming together. We might move this vinyl like over here, but as you can see, it's just a mess. We are having our first dinner at the house with my mom, my grandma, and a lot of our friends. They brought over barbecue. We've got it all on the island. Oh, guys, I have not been doing a very good job the past couple of days keeping up with you guys, but I wanted to end this vlog here because we're spending the rest of the time with Jason's family. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here and you want to stick around for some more home vlogs, and I will see you guys in my next one very, very soon. Bye, y'all.